Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Boxyluxe unboxing for September. I know, it's been about 3 months since I've done an unboxing on my channel and I've missed it very, very dearly. But I'm back. So BoxyCharm, if you don't know what it is, I'm just going to give you the rundown first. It is a $21 beauty subscription service. It delivers monthly 4 to 5 full-size products to your door. There's an upgrade to this, which is what I have. It's called Boxyluxe. It's an additional $28 4 times a year, so it's quarterly. So it makes the box $50 4 times a year, but it comes with more high-end and more products in general. I have been getting the upgrade for 1 year now. I got the first one in September last year, and honestly I've been pretty impressed with it. So I'm very excited to see what's in the box this time. So let's just hop in there. So this is what the box looks like. I already opened it because it's huge. I can't hold it up for you guys, but it got a little damaged in shipping, but you know, it's okay. So the theme for this month is Boxy All Access. I say this every time, but I like the fold-out cards they used to have. I don't like this like one card thing, but we're gonna, you know, we're living with it. So let's get into the products. So the first thing I see, I actually own already, so I'm gonna grab mine. Hold on. It's from Tarte. This is the Clay Play Volume 1 palette. I freaking love this palette. I bought it probably a year ago. On sale, because I don't think they make this palette anymore actually, but it is one of my favorites from Tarte ever. It is a pretty boring and neutral palette. It's all mattes, all neutrals, but the quality of these shadows are insane. Like the best quality I've ever seen from Tarte. They blend themselves out. They blend so well. They blend like a NARS shadow, I would say, like that high quality. I have never had any problems with them. They're so versatile. Like this shade right here, I could even use in my eyebrows if I need. Because they're all matte, because they're all blendable, like insanely blendable, it is the perfect palette for anyone, anytime. And you can definitely play this up with a nice deep black here, or this really dark shade, or you can make it super natural. Honestly, for things like interviews, I typically go toward this palette because I know it's flattering on my eyes as well as super, super easy to use, and I've never had a bad look when using this palette. So let's see what the card says. It says, oh, this retails for $45. I think I got mine for $20 last year though. An all-in-one palette featuring 12 Amazonian clay powdered shades that play with light and shadow. The creamy microfine powder is infused with Amazonian clay, which offers rich payoff that blends to a natural, long-wearing finish without creasing, caking, or flaking. I agree with that. It's perfect multitasking all-in-one beauty wardrobe, whether you're looking low-key or high-key looks. Again, totally agree with that. I'm going to pass mine on to a friend who will use it and hopefully love it as much as I do. Next thing in the box is this. This is an infuser water bottle. I actually got to customize some of the things in the box this month, which I really, really do appreciate. As Boxyluxe has been going on, they've been improving it little by little, and one of the things that I'm really happy they started improving on was customization, because one of the things you could have got, if not this, was the Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette by Tarte. I got that last year in my first Boxyluxe actually, so I obviously didn't want it again, so I got to customize, which I got this diffuser bottle instead. This is from Clean Skin Club. This is the fruit infuser water bottle. I need to get some fruit to infuse it with. This retails for $17.95. It says pack your water bottle with your choice of nutritious. I can't speak. Hold on. Pack your water bottle with your choice of nutritious, healthy fruits and vegetables. Large 32-ounce size enables you to infuse more water. This is a big bottle, and you know what? I love reusable bottles. I have a little bit of an obsession with them, so I'll be able to add this to my collection. And I want to do this. I want to get like cucumbers and lemons and just like infuse the fuck out of my water, so I'm gonna try that. So I'm actually really excited for that product. Alright, next one in the box I see is from Moda. I love Royal and Langnickel, and I love their brushes. Actually, BoxyCharm was one who introduced me to them, and every time I go to Gen Beauty, I pick up way more brushes. I love these, so high quality. So this is an 8-piece Pro Glam set. It comes with a powder, contour, glow, shader, crease, smudger, detail, and brow brush. First of all, just like, the brushes are super high quality. I love them so much. I'm only going to open one. Oh my god, no, I'm really excited about this. Okay, this is the angled brush. Look at how tiny that is. This is what I love doing my brows with. Perfect size. It's super thin. I'm very happy. Also, it has this really cool, like, beveled, am I using that word right? Is it beveled? I don't know, but it's like a raised, feels very luxe. I'm really excited. I love these brushes with all of my heart, and I buy them on my own, so it's great to get more brushes. This powder brush looks huge, but also like super soft. I'm happy about that. Let me read you the literature for these. These retail for $69.99. Royal & Langnickel is kind of an expensive brush brand, but honestly, the quality it's there. This says, this exclusive new, Moda Studio set is the ultimate have for brush fans. With black quilted handles, sleek silver ferrules, and vegan filaments, these beauties will look smart on any vanity. They're gonna look smart on mine now. I'm super, super pumped about this. This may be the thing I'm most excited about. They're so soft. This is gonna be the perfect highlighting brush. A moment. BoxyCharm, you did that. Okay, so that is what else is in the box. The next thing I see is from Dr. Brandt. Now, this is something that everyone who got BoxyCharm got. We get certain things that everyone gets. This is from Dr. Brandt. This is a hydrobiotic recovering sleeping mask. This is full-sized. It's quite small for full-sized. Apply mask to clean dry skin before bedtime. Do not rinse. Use nightly. I have very dry skin, so I'm excited about this. What does this say? A hydrating recovery sleeping mask powered by biotic balancing complex to balance skin's naturally occurring flora. Don't know what that is. Soothing peptides along with a restorative blend of ceramides, fatty acids, and calming ingredients work in harmony to help soothe, nourish, and restore hydration to the skin. It deeply hydrates, moisturizes to reduce redness and slight irritation, and locks in moisture to prevent water loss. And I could do this nightly. I'm excited. I'm gonna use this tonight. I'm going to an awards thing tomorrow with my friends, so yeah, we're gonna do that. Oh, that retails for, wow, it's been a while, can you tell? That retails for $52. Honestly, this alone pays for the box. These alone pay for the box. And the palette almost pays for the box. It's so worth it, especially if you're like, you have an obsession with makeup like me, it can't stop. All right, next thing in the box is from Stila. This is the This is the Stay All Day Liquid Shimmer Lipstick. Shimmer. In Patina Shimmer. I don't feel like I'll use this color. Let me swatch it for you guys. Oh, you know, I'm not one for metallic lipsticks, but this actually isn't too bad. This is the color here. It's just got like a small sheen. It's not quite as metallic as I expected. It almost looks like a healthy, like glossy effect to the lips. I'm gonna have to try this out. It's not as bad as I thought. It'd be a pretty nice rose lipstick for fall. I've never tried anything from Stila before, like legitimately ever, from anything from the entire brand from Stila. So this is gonna be exciting. So this is $22, and it says the original Power Pout, Stila's award-winning, full-coverage, creamy liquid lipstick delivers bold, long-lasting color that wears comfortably for up to 12 hours. Enriched with vitamin E and avocado oil, this lightweight formula softens lips so they feel beautiful. I guess we'll see. I'm liking this color more and more as it stays on my hand, and it really isn't that metallic. So I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna be open-minded. All right, we have a few more things in the box. The next one is from Hank and Henry. I'm actually really excited I got this. This was on my list of things like I hoped I would get from the box. This is the Longwear Liquid Eyeliner in Blickety Black. This retails for $20. It is the newest addition to the Slick With It of eyeline products. This eyeliner is vegan, dries down to a satin matte finish, and the formula is extremely long-wearing and transfer-proof for hooded eyelids. That's me. Okay, I'm gonna try this out. I'm excited. No, hopefully this is a brush tip. I like brush tip liners. You know what? I'm not gonna open it because I'm gonna break all my nails that way. But I will try it. I'll probably put a video together of me trying all these products because I'm kind of rushing through this because I have to go to work soon, which is the story of my life. But I'm gonna probably do a video using all of the products I got here. The next thing I'm actually really excited for, I just got my hair cut. I don't know how to do anything with hair, but it's one of the things that I want to learn how to do this year. This is from GK. This is the Hydrating Hair Balm. Hydrating? Don't mind if I do. This retails for $29. This is a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh hair down. That's all this card says. Let's see. It's for dry, coarse, frizzy hair. How to get it. Apply to damp or dry hair. This is not damp enough for it. Air dry or blow out. That is that's the kind of hair products I can get down with. I could use this. I could figure out how to do that. This is called Mistress Hydrating Balm. And it smells really good. I can smell it through the packaging. It smells like when you go to a salon and they like do your hair. Really, really comforting. I could get down with that. So that is the other thing in our box. All right, the next thing is from Spongel. The last thing we got from Spongel, which was in a Boxyluxe, I also didn't use, so I might have to pass this along. This is the Salted Rose Mani-Pedi Treatment Set. Oh, I also hate feet. I may have to pass this along. This says directions: wet squeeze to release rich lather. Use soft side to cleanse, buffer side to exfoliate. After use, simply... What? Oh. I guess this is like a feet washing duo. It smells really good. Ooh. I wish this wasn't just feet. I would love to put this smell all over my body. Okay, let me see what the literature says, since I have no idea anything about this. This retails for $18. This is perfect for your dry hands. Okay, and tired feet. Infused with a skin softening formula and soothing extracts of peppermint and sea kelp, these buffers are the solution to silky, polished hands and feet. Packaged in an easy-to-use box for travel, it's an all-in-one beauty treatment. Do I just wash my hands with this? I'm very confused. Very confused by this product. I probably won't use this. I'm definitely going to pass this along to someone. I have no clue what I'm doing with that. And honestly, if someone can get better use out of it, then they can. Alright, the last product is also something that I customized. This is from Glow Recipe. I'm so excited about this. Kathleen Lights has been talking about this product nonstop. It says it smells kind of like dog pee, but that is really good. This is the Pineapple Sea Bright Serum. I'm just going to open it because the bottle's apparently really cute. Ah! It's got a pineapple. Oh, this is smaller than I expected, but so freaking cute. It's like a little pineapple. I gotta smell this. Oh. It doesn't smell like dog pee to me. It smells medicinal. Like, oh, it smells like Delsum. Like if you sniff the bottle of Delsum, this is gonna sound super strange, but if you sniff the bottle of Delsum and you get the like smell of orange and then that like undertone of like medicinal, that's what this smells like. Or like, oh, no. Here's the better. Those chalky vitamins you have to eat when you're little. That's what this smells like. It smells like chalky vitamins. I can handle that smell though. This is so cute. I'm in love with this. So I don't break it. Okay, so this retails for money. I know this is expensive. This is $49. So again, this pays pretty much for the box. This says the ultimate brightening serum for brightening and smoothing, formulated with a stable blend of 22% pure pineapple juice, one of the most potent sources of natural vitamin C, AHA, and bromelain enzymes, infused with chamomile, aloe, and vitamin E to soothe even the most sensitive skin. That's really exciting. I'm most excited probably for this, but honestly, I'm getting pretty excited about everything. And when I opened this yesterday, honestly, I was like, wow, I'm so underwhelmed by these products. I don't know, just looking at them, I was a little underwhelmed. And I still kind of am. Like, I'll break it down for you. Oh, this is dried down now. It still looks really nice. Every Boxyluxe I've gotten, I've been pretty impressed with. I feel like it's on and off. I remember December, I wasn't super happy with everything, but I liked most of the products. I just didn't get a good use out of them. I feel like here's the same thing. Like, I like these products. Will I get good use out of them? I don't know. The sponge gel thing I'm not going to get use out of. I'm going to try with the infuser, but I might be passing that on as well. I just have to really push myself to like use these products. And like this shimmer lipstick, I don't know if I'll use this, but I have to try. So it's like, I'm excited about these products. will I use them in reality? I don't know. So I'm just gonna total up the box for this month, and we'll go from there, my friends. Alright, so the total for this month's box is $322.94, which is crazy because you only pay $50 for the upgrade. So like I said, pretty much it is worth it no matter how you look at it. Like, this box is worth it, especially if you are even semi-interested. I wouldn't buy a lot of these things for myself, but I really want to push myself to use them, especially hair care products. This smells so freaking good. So I'm excited to use every single thing on here, and I'm hoping that it is going to be way better than I think in my head. So that completes this video. If you got anything different in your box, let me know. I know instead of this Hank and Henry thing, you could have gotten a highlighter from Laura Geller. If anyone got the Laura Geller highlighter, let me know how it is, because I've had my eye on that for quite a while. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.